nganitshela nje hayi ngachaza hayi no akhulunyiswana manje nami ngikhulumisa umuntu because ngikhulume nani after 12 I'm out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Condolences messages are pouring in for the Maphumulo family after the passing of Mandla Maphumulo, well known as Mampintsha, Babes of Dumu's husband and Sponge's father, a South African producer and musician. He was a member of Big Nas brand. He passed away at the age of 40 after he suffered stroke on Thursday and sadly passed on the 4th of December 2022. Ezibuhlungu bakithi asipheli engathi umoya wakhe ungaphumula ngokuthula. To his family, may the good Lord comfort them. Let's check the few comments from Twitter. The first person said, Umlilo will remain my favorite. Rest in peace, Mampintsha. Kingdom of the Zulu said, may his soul rest in peace. Condolences to his wife, mother-in-laws, all family members, colleagues, and friends. Sleep well, Mampintsha. Inkohlela. Do Babes wodumo. Condolences to the family. Hope Babes will be okay. Sad news indeed. Condolences to friends, to the friends and the family. And Omunyawati, oh no, God rest his soul. May his soul rest in peace. Yeah, I'm lost of words. I can't even believe, guys, that I'm saying he is normal. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's comfort the family on the comment section. Bye.